Good morning everybody. So the part of carbonates compounds in previous classes. So we discussed about the importance of carbon, hybridization, sigma and pi bonds. So then after that allotropes of carbon, amorphous, crystalline. Amorphous and crystalline. In crystalline again four subtypes are there. That is diamond, graphite, fullerenes, carbon nanotubes. So after that versatile nature of carbon. So carbon compounds can be obtained from living things and non-living things. That is versatile nature. And carbon shows the catenation property. Catenation property that will form the chain-like compounds. So then hydrocarbons. So definition for hydrocarbons and its classification. Okay. Hydrocarbons are classified two types, open chain hydrocarbons and cyclic hydrocarbons. So after that, so next we have the functional group. Functional group. Functional group. What is this functional group? Functional group is nothing but an atom or group. An atom or group. An atom or group which represents characteristic properties of characteristic properties of organic compound. Characteristic properties of organic compound. That is called as functional group. Functional group is defined as an atom or group which represents characteristic properties of organic compound is known as the functional group. So various types of functional groups are present. In that first I am taking the compounds containing CHX, carbon, hydrogen, then X. Compounds containing CHX. That is the example is halohydrocarbon. Halohydrocarbon. So these halohydrocarbons possess carbon atoms, hydrogen atoms, then halogen atom. So X represents the F, Cl, Br, I. That is halogen atom. Example is CH3, CH2, Cl. This is called as ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. Suppose I am taking CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Propyl chloride. So X atom is there, carbon atom, then hydrogen atoms. Ethyl chloride, propyl chloride. Okay. So this is the first one. Compounds containing CHX. So X is the halogen atom, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So example for this category is halohydrocarbons. CH3, CH2Cl, ethyl chloride, CH3, CH2, CH2Cl, propyl chloride. Ethyl chloride is also called as chloroethane. This is the IUPAC name. Chloroethane. That comes after this topic. So here propyl chloride is 1-chloropropane. 1-chloropropane. Ethyl chloride, propyl chloride. Chloroethane, 1-chloropropane. Okay. So functional group is nothing but an atom or group which represents characteristic properties of organic compound. So that is called as a functional group. So in that first one, compounds containing CHX means carbon, hydrogen, then halogen atom. So examples for this category is halohydrocarbons. That is CH3, CH2Cl, ethyl chloride, CH3, CH2, CH2Cl is the propyl chloride. Come to the second type in functional group. Compounds containing CHO. Compounds containing CHO means the organic compounds which contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen atoms. In that A, alcohols. First one, alcohols. See here, OH functional group containing OH, FGP means functional group. OH functional group containing organic compounds. organic compounds. OH functional group containing organic compounds are called as alcohols. Are called as alcohols. So what is alcohol? OH functional group containing organic compounds are called as alcohol. Example: CH3, OH, methanol. Methanol is the IUPAC name. Common name is methyl alcohol. Then CH3, CH2, OH. CH3, CH2, OH. Ethanol. Common name is ethyl alcohol. Ethanol, ethyl alcohol. So see the second type, compounds containing CHO, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So in that first category, I am taking alcohols. What is alcohol? The organic compounds which contain OH functional group are called as the alcohols. So in that alcohols, we can observe the presence of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atom. CHO is present. Okay, carbon, hydrogens and oxygens. Again in that we are taking, if OH functional group is present, those are called as the alcohols. OH functional group containing organic compounds are called as alcohols. CH3OH is methanol. CH3CH2OH is the ethanol. Okay, this is the A. Next, in that same compounds containing CHO, again I am taking B. Ethers. Ethers. What is ether? ROR functional group. ROR functional group containing organic compounds are called as ethers. Examples are different. See, once you see that B in that compounds containing CHO, ROR functional group containing organic compounds are called as ethers. Example: CH3O, CH3. CH3O, CH3. What is the CH3O, CH3? Dimethyl ether. Suppose I am taking C2H5O, C2H5. In this also carbon, hydrogen, oxygen is present. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen atoms are present. But ROR type of the arrangement is there. That is called as ether. Diethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Examples for ethers. Okay. Compounds containing CHO, ethers. ROR functional group containing organic compounds are called as ethers. ROR functional group containing organic compounds are called as ethers. Example: CH3O, CH3, dimethyl ether. C2H5O, C2H5, that is diethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Okay, this is the B. Next, come to the C. Aldehydes. C. Aldehydes. What is aldehyde? CHO functional group. CHO functional group containing organic compounds are called as aldehydes. CHO functional group containing organic compounds are called as aldehydes. What is aldehyde? The organic compounds which contain CHO functional group. That is, CHO can also be represented as C double bond OH. We can also write in this form. Both are same. CHO, C double bond OH. Okay, that is aldehyde. H C double bond OH, HCHO. This is formaldehyde. IUPAC name methanol. CH3CHO, acetaldehyde. acetaldehyde. Ethanol, acetaldehyde, ethanol. Formaldehyde, methanol. See, CHO functional group. OH is alcohol. ROR functional group is, R is nothing but alkyl group. Capital R is equal to alkyl. CH3, C2H5 like that. Aldehyde means HCHO is formaldehyde, methanol. CH3CHO is acetaldehyde, then ethanol. HCHO. So aldehydes are nothing but CHO functional group containing organic compounds are called as the aldehydes. CHO functional group containing organic compounds are called as the aldehydes. This is the third one, C. Now come to the fourth one, D. Fourth one, D. Ketones. Ketones. What is ketone? C double bond O functional group. C double bond O functional group containing compounds, organic compounds are called as ketones. C double bond O functional group containing organic compounds. C double bond O functional group containing organic compounds are called as ketones. In this also carbon, hydrogen, oxygens are present. Example CH3. C double bond O, CH3. This is dimethyl ketone. Dimethyl ketone. Dimethyl ketone. IUPAC name propanone. Same propanone. Propanone. Dimethyl ketone is a common name. Dimethyl ketone is a common name. Propanone is IUPAC name, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. According to that, so you can use the names. Next example, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3 is there. This is called as methyl CH3, C2H5. This group is called as ethyl. According to alphabetical order, E comes first, then the M. That's why first you have to say this one. Ethyl, methyl, ethyl, methyl, ketone. Ethyl, methyl, ketone. IUPAC name? What is IUPAC name? 2-butanone. 2. Why 2? Second carbon, keto group is present. That's a 2-butanone. 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 Ketones. C double bond O functional group containing organic compounds are called as ketones. C double bond O functional group containing organic compounds are called as ketones. Examples are CH3, C double bond O CH3, dimethyl ketone. So in this also carbon, hydrogen, oxygens are there. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So that's why only C double bond O functional group containing organic compounds are called as ketones. CH3, C double bond O CH3, dimethyl ketone, propanone. CH3, CH2, C double bond O CH3, ethyl, methyl ketone, then 2-butanone. 2-butanone. What is the first one? Compounds containing CHX. Second one, compounds containing CHO. Again in that, A, alcohols, B, ethers, C, aldehydes, D, ketones. Next, E, esters. Esters. C double bond O functional group. C double bond O alkyl alkyl. Functional group containing compounds are called as esters. Esters. See here. C double bond O functional group containing compounds. C double bond O functional group containing compounds. Functional group containing organic compounds are called as esters. So here CH3, C double bond O, CH3. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Methyl acetate or dimethyl ester. This will be taken as methyl acetate. CH3COO is called as the acetate. Methyl acetate. Methyl acetate or methyl ethanoate. That is also called as a methyl ethanoate. This can also be represented methyl ethanoate. Ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. CH3 C double bond to CH3. Suppose I am taking CH3 C double bond O C2H5. Always first you have to mention the alkyl group bonded to oxygen. Ethyl propanoethanoate again. Ethyl ethanoate. For ester 8 will come. Ethyl ethanoate. CH3 C double bond O C2H5. Ethyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. Eth means 2 carbons or methyl acetate. Methyl acetate. This is about the esters. Next. F. Carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. What is carboxylic acids? COOH functional group. COOH functional group containing organic compounds are called as carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. COOH functional group containing organic compounds are called as carboxylic acids. COOH functional group. COOH functional group containing organic compounds are called as carboxylic acid. COOH is nothing but this can also be represented in another form. C double bond OH. Both are same. COOH or C double bond OH. HCOOH. Formic acid. Formic acid. Another name is methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. CH3COOH. Acetic acid. Acetic acid. Acetic acid. Ethanoic acid. Acetic acid, then ethanoic acid. HCOOH is called as a formic acid, that is methanoic acid. CH3COOH is the acetic acid, that is ethanoic acid. That is about the compounds containing CHO, carboxylic acids, esters, ketones, aldehydes, ethers, then alcohols. These are the subtypes present in the compounds containing CHO. One is alcohol, ethers, aldehydes, ketones, esters, then carboxylic acids. That is about the compounds containing CHO. Now, compounds containing CHN. Compounds containing CHN. In that first one, amines. Amines. What is amine? NH2 functional group. NH2. NH2 functional group containing organic compounds are called as amines. NH2 functional group containing organic compounds are called as amines. Amines. So in these compounds we can observe the carbon, hydrogen, then nitrogen atom. Carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen atoms are present. What is amine? NH2 functional group containing organic compounds are called as amines. Example, see here, CH3NH2. CH3NH2. This is primary amine. Primary amine. Next, CH3NHCH3. 2 alkyl groups are present. This is secondary amine. Secondary amine. 3 alkyl groups are present, CH3N, CH3, CH3. This is tertiary amine. Tertiary amine. primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. Primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. Primary amine means CH3NH2. Secondary amine CH3NHCH3 is the secondary amine. Tertiary amine CH3N CH3CH3 is the tertiary amine. Primary, secondary, tertiary. How can we say it is primary or secondary or tertiary means? Generally we can take from ammonia. NH3 is the ammonia. In ammonia, if one of the hydrogen, this is ammonia, one of the hydrogen is replaced by CH3, primary. Two hydrogens are replaced by two alkyl groups, that is secondary. Three hydrogens are replaced by three alkyl groups, that is tertiary. Primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay. Now I am taking the primary amine, that is CH3NH2. CH3NH2, it is called as methyl amine. Methyl amine or aminomethane. 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 Methyl amine or aminomethane. CH3, CH2, NH2. Ethyl amine. Ethyl amine. This is also called as aminoethane. 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 Ethyl amine, methyl amine, ethyl amine. Methyl, M-E-T-H-Y-L. Methyl amine, CH3NH2. Ethyl amine, that is called as the aminoethane. Aminoethane. CH3, CH2, NH2. So here CH3, NH2. So these amines are three types: primary amine, secondary amine, then tertiary amine. Primary, secondary, tertiary. Three types of amines are present. How can we say which is primary, which is secondary means? In the amine, if nitrogen which has two hydrogens, one alkyl group, primary. The amine in which nitrogen has one hydrogen, two alkyl groups, secondary. The nitrogen which has zero hydrogens, here no hydrogens bonded to nitrogen atom, then three alkyl groups are present, that is called as the tertiary amine. Okay, this is about the compounds containing CHN. Next one, compounds containing CHN and O. CHN and O. Compounds containing CHN and O. So for that we have the amides. Amide. Amides. What is amide? CONH2 functional group. CONH2 functional group containing organic compounds are called as amides. That is called as amides. Amides. So example, see here. Here in the organic compounds we can observe the carbon, hydrogen, then oxygen and nitrogen. CH3, CONH2. CONH2. Acetamide. 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 See, CONH2 can also represent as C double bond NH2. Both are same. C double bond NH2. CONH2 represents as the C double bond NH2. CH3 CONH2 is called as acetamide. CH3 CH2 CONH2 is called as propanamide. Okay, CH3 CH2 CONH2. Propanamide. 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 Acetamide. Propanamide. Those are the common names for the amides. The organic compounds which possess carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. For that I am taking the amide functional group. CONH2 functional group containing organic compounds are called as amides. CH3 CONH2 is called as acetamide. Then CONH2 can be represented in the form of the C double bond NH2. Both are the same. CH3 CONH2 acetamide. CH3 CH2 CONH2. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3 carbons. So we can take as the propanamide. Okay, this is the fourth type. First one is compounds containing CH and X. Second one, compounds containing CHO. Third one, compounds containing CHN. Fourth one, compounds containing CHN and oxygen. Four types. In second type, compounds containing CHO. See, compounds containing CH and O, we have the alcohol, This is very important. Alcohols, ethers, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic and esters, carboxylic acids. So in which case CHO, alcohols, ethers, alcohol means OH function group, ethers means ROR function group, aldehyde means CHO function group, ketones means C double bond O function group, esters C double bond O functional group, carboxylic acid COOH functional group. These are the second type. Third type CHN, we have only the amines, three types: primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. In fourth types, compounds containing CHN and O. See, in this case, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, then nitrogens are present. So that's why for this category we are taking the amines. CONH2 functional group containing organic compounds are called as amides. So that is CH3CONH2 is acetamide, then CH3CH2CONH2 is propanamide. So this is about the functional group, the functional groups which are present in various organic compounds. Okay, so based on this functional group only, so we can say the common properties of the given organic compounds. That's why you have to remember what kind of the functional group is associated in the given compound.